typical front load washer, and they do a great job with washing clothes and towels and anything light. But things like this would not be good. It's very heavy. They collect a lot of water. Things like this are too big. These are better to be used at the coin laundry on a commercial washer. These residential washers, if you wash something like that, it's so heavy it'll ruin a part of the back called the rear bearing. It's about $500 or $600 to repair that. It's pretty much the end of the washing machine. So if you just stick with clothing and sheets and towels, you're going to be okay. Blankets, bathroom mats, area rugs, comforters, that's going to destroy your washing machine, probably cut its lifespan in half. This one still looks good. It's spinning and it's not real loud during the spin cycle. So its rear bearing is still in good shape.